What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to readjust your Miata handbrake. Here's how you can tell it's not working. If I can push the whole car while the handbrake's on, it's definitely out of adjustment. First things first, we're going to be jacking up the back of the car, which means you need to chock the front wheels. Next up, I like to loosen all the lug nuts before I jack up the car because it makes it easier to take the wheels off after you jack it up. Next, we're going to jack up the car. Then, we're going to put some jack stands under it. Now, let's pull the wheels off. So if we look at the pads right here, you can definitely tell that there's plenty of pad material left on there. So we don't need to do a brake pad change, but you might also be able to see that the pads are not sitting exactly flush on the rotors either, which means definitely that they're out of adjustment. There's one of two ways you can do this. The first way is you leave the handbrake down, and then you'll tighten up the Allen head adjuster on the caliper until it gets tight and back it off about a third of the turn. I prefer to do it the second way, which is pull this up about 6 clicks and then tighten the screw all the way down. And then when you put the handbrake back down again, it will be loose. Now we need to start making adjustments on the caliper. This 14mm bolt right here goes right on this section of the caliper. You want to loosen it and take it off. Then you're going to need a 4mm Allen wrench. This is just on a socket set so that you can easily do it up with a ratchet. And then we're going to come over here and attach these, and then you just want to tighten this up right until it gets snug and then stop there. Then you want to put your bolt back on, tighten it up, and do the same thing to the other side. I've just finished adjusting both sides, so now I'm going to put it down and then feel. Oh yeah, I can definitely tell on that adjustment that this is much tighter, and so that should translate to the handbrake actually working now on the car. Let's throw the wheels on the car and test it out. Now to see if I actually fixed the problem. Well, since I can't push the car anymore, I'll take that as a success. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, maybe stick around, watch another one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.